If you're experiencing audio desync issues in GTA 5, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to get your audio back in sync with the game. Step 1. Check game settings. Ensure that your audio settings in GTA 5 are correctly configured. Go to the game's audio settings and verify that the output device is set to the correct 180 speakers or headphones and that the audio quality settings are appropriate. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer or use the driver update tool to download and install the latest drivers for your sound card. Step 3. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to various issues, including audio desync. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files and repair any issues found. Step 4. Adjust audio sample rate. Sometimes, adjusting the audio sample rate can help. Right-click on the speaker icon in your system tray, select Sounds, go to the Playback tab. Choose your audio device, click Properties, then the Advanced tab, and try changing the default format to a different sample rate. Step 5. Disable background applications. Certain background applications can interfere with game audio. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background, especially those that may use audio resources, and then restart the game to see if the issue persists. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the audio desync issue in GTA 5. If the problem continues, consider seeking further assistance from community forums or support channels.